Hey guys, I felt the need to just jump in really quickly and say that if you are on the lookout for a very straightforward and to the point recipe tutorial for vegan latkes, you're probably not gonna like this video because this is more just a casual cook with me style video and there's lots of goofing off and it kind of devolves into chaos. I know some of you will enjoy that, but if you're just looking for the recipe, I have come back, it's now the following day. I tested out the recipe a little bit more rigorously as evidenced by the mess in the background, and I compiled all the information and the measurements in a recipe post on my blog. It's linked down below. Very pleased with how they came out, especially today. I feel like they look so cute. Anyway, if you still want to see us very goofily cook latkes, enjoy this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. Today, we're actually going to be making a Jewish delicacy in the spirit of Hanukkah. Are latkes actually a Hanukkah dish, or are they just like a general?
You didn't prep me for these questions.
There's no
a myth
story behind.
There definitely is. I just don't,
really?
I just don't know it. But I'm not sure because I don't think I've ever had it at Passover or anything. I think it's a Hanukkah thing.
These are potato pancakes. If you're unfamiliar with the concept of latkes.
I thought you were gonna say these are potatoes.
I haven't made these in a long time. The last time I made them was probably before I went vegan, and they contain eggs. Are you a latke master?
Absolutely not.
So we're just gonna wing it, but I'm sure they will come out beautifully. And once I have a feel for what exactly we're putting in, how much of everything, I will write the recipe up on the blog. So we're gonna start out. We have russet potatoes. We're gonna do 3. It might be too many for 2 people, but you're gonna peel it. I guess you don't have to peel them. I think I'm just gonna use half of this onion, and we're actually gonna be using the food processor to make everything a lot easier. And I'm gonna cut it into small pieces so it fits through the food processor chute. But if you're doing these by hand, which you totally can, just finely dice your onions. You don't really want big chunks of it. Another thing that I've gone ahead and done is prepped a flax egg, which we're gonna be using in place of the real egg. It's just gonna bind everything together. And I just put a tablespoon of flaxseed meal with a couple tablespoons of water, and it's sitting. Do that first so that it has time to thicken.
Think I could juggle these?
No, yes. You tried.
I will rinse them. Shamefully.
So what other classic Hanukkah dishes do you partake in?
So none anymore, because brisket is the main Jewish holiday staple.
Okay.
And it's literally a big piece of cow.
Yeah.
Right?
I think I've only had brisket a handful of times, and I was looking at what it is earlier today to see if I could recreate it, maybe with seitan or something. It really is just a big hunk of meat.
I can't think of many Jewish foods.
No.
Well, latkes, brisket, matzo ball soup, kugel. Kugel. Potato kugel and noodle kugel.
Okay.
Yeah. But potato kugel is like a savory one. A savory casserole, right? Have you had both of them?
No, I've not had either.
And there's also noodle kugel, which is
I think
egg noodles and it's dessert. You can put the blade up there.
Yeah, it's the grating disc. The grating disc. Okay, so
this is great.
Can you just try it? It's very satisfying.
It is pretty satisfying.
I think I resolved after the eggnog video while I was editing it that every time Eric's in one of my videos, I need to have a dad joke counter.
We're doing these too?
Yes,
Oh,
the onions also go in. Now, here's what I don't get. The whole like applesauce and latke thing.
All I can say is that it's delicious.
Well, because we're putting onions in this. It's not like it's a regular pancake and it could go sweet or savory. It's decidedly savory, right?
But like pork chops and applesauce?
Yeah.
Great. I don't know why.
Once you've grated your potatoes, they let out a tremendous amount of moisture, and we really don't want that in our latkes. So we have to wring it out. I'm gonna give you half and me half. We have 1 nut milk bag, and I'm just gonna use a clean tea towel.
May I ring?
Yeah. You can wring my potatoes.
Wow, it's actually crazy.
Wring my potatoes.
You really don't think potatoes and onions are this juicy?
Wow!
I took some pre-workout before this.
Even I wasn't expecting it this much, and I was watching latke tutorials all day.
Wow, it's some life you live.
I was watching the Barefoot Contessa's tutorial. Do you ever watch her?
I have before.
You're bright red.
It's a solid 200 milliliters right there. Should I drink this?
It's raw potatoes. Don't they have some sort of like thing in them that poisons you?
Do you want me to put this back in the bowl?
Yes, please.
Mm-hmm.
There's gonna be a lot of latkes.
Is it?
I tried to beat you to the punch. A latke.
Why do I get the counter? She should have the dad joke
Well,
counter.
I don't naturally make them, but when I know that you're around and you're going to, I feel like I have to preempt you.
I'm always around.
Let's add the flax egg. See, I read a lot of different options as to how you, like what dry ingredient you should use to bind everything. A lot of them use flour, some of them use matzo meal. Today I'm actually gonna use potato starch to make them gluten-free. But I think that you can just substitute flour in if that's what you have on hand. 2 tablespoons. Should we put onion and garlic powder in things? That's kind of my inclination, but none of the recipes I saw called for it.
I would say
Should
a
we
little.
be purists?
Can I pepper?
Yes, please. I'm gonna add a little bit of onion powder. Just to make them extra savory.
I really do put a lot of pepper though.
Wow, that's a lot of pepper. I can feel it in my face.
Do we need a bigger bowl?
Maybe.
Boss?
Stir it.
With my hands or with the spatula? I want to be spatula.
Lar.
Can you salt bathe them? Nice.
Why even bother cleaning my hand? I'm just gonna put it back in again.
That's what she said.
What? I think it might need some more starchies.
It's a lot of starch. Let's get the party started.
So you better get this party started.
I'm coming out with a burnout. Why am I so hyper?
We want about 1/4 an inch of oil.
How do you know if it's ready?
When it sticks to the ceiling. It's ready when you put it into the oil and it starts sizzling immediately. We have 2 options. We're gonna use either the golf ball size scoop or this larger one.
I think she's threatening to take my eyeballs out.
Can we just do 4 little ones?
Yeah.
4 bebés.
Should we turn this down? It's like smoking? I don't know how it works. I don't really...
You've never fried anything?
I don't think so.
What? You never made any fried dishes when you were growing up?
No.
We used to make chicken katsu a lot, and I would come home and my mom she would like always put her hoodie like this so that her hair didn't smell like oil afterwards when she was frying. You put it in, and then you just squishify it.
Oh.
Yeah. You're on squishing duty.
Oh, okay. I'm good at squishing things, as you know.
Oh, they smell so good right away.
Fried potatoes. Shocking.
And I think they should go pretty quickly. They really only need about 3 to 5 minutes per side, just until they're golden. And just check when they start to get brown around the edges and you know to flip them. Oh, you're getting that crispy B-roll! It's a little premature.
You prematurely spatulated. You have to put that one in.
1 in every
That
10
one's good.
ton attempts is a keeper. 1 in every 10. Okay, I'm putting you on frying duty. I really quickly want to make something.
Frying duty? I thought we were frying latkes. The best part about latkes is, babe,
They're healthy?
they're healthy.
They're Jewish?
They're Jewish. No, that's the best part about me.
All 3 of my long-term relationships have been with nice Jewish boys, and none of them have made me latkes. What's up with that?
What she's saying is she can't wait for the 4th one.
Thank you, next. I'm making cashew sour cream very quickly. Just with cashews, water, and a little bit of lemon juice. Because I read that you're also supposed to serve these with sour cream.
Sour cream.
Or creme fraiche.
Creme fraiche. None of these are done.
Well,
We'll learn for the next batch.
do better.
This is so ridiculous. This should be on our channel.
We could just release a video that's all of
The outtakes. Like all the things that you can't say on Sarah's Vegan Kitchen.
inappropriate puns. I'm so fucking grateful for my...
For your eggs?
How's it going? Oh no, I went from undercooked to... Oh.
Yeah. We really fricked him, babe.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Sorry, you really fricked him.
I mean, they say that the first batch of anything is like a test run, right?
Yeah.
I mean, for anything fried and also for pancakes.
Pancakes,
For
yeah.
things in the family of pancakes.
Like latkes.
Latkes.
Can I salt them
You want to put a little bit of salt on top while they're still warm.
so they stick?
So it sticks. Good?
Mm-hmm.
Do they need more of anything?
Mm-mm.
Wow, potatoes are so good. They've become a latke Pangea.
These are like totally golden brown. What do we do on Hanukkah?
Like, today's the first night, right?
We light the first candle of the menorah. There are 9 candles on a menorah. The middle one is the biggest one that you light every night, and then you light the other candles with it. So tonight we would light the first candle, which has a special name. I just can't remember what it is because I'm a terrible Jew. You would use that one to light the first candle. And the next night you would light the big one and then light the first and second candle. And you would sing songs of the Jewish people of yore.
But would you have like a Hanukkah dinner?
No, maybe one night.
Like the first night? Or like the last night?
Maybe like one night, yeah.
We might turn off the camera now and come back to join you for the taste test. And we're back with latkes. Perfectly cooked latkes. They're so cute. And we have some of our sour cream to drizzle on. I got some applesauce and some chives. I'm really curious about this applesauce though.
Well, you've never had applesauce and latkes?
No.
Oh, I mean...
Do you put both together?
No. Well, I guess you can, but I would...
Do you dip it?
I don't.
Do you just like...
Yeah, just dip it in there.
Okay. I feel skeptical.
Don't, it's so good.
Wait. It's very confusing actually.
That is nostalgic, delicious.
I don't know if I buy it. I want to try the sour cream. Oh.
I'm an applesauce man.
The chives. I want to try both together.
I definitely see the draw, but no, applesauce is definitely the better. The other thing is that applesauce is just really good. That's that good. What is there to say?
Oh, I should have introduced you as Mario. Damn it. I missed an opportunity.
Jewish Mario.
Sorry.
It was yours. I was gonna take the other one. Ugh, now I'm stuck with this crappy one.
All right. Bye.